In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view a credential report of your non-compliant shifts. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then choose Credentials. Go to your new top menu bar and select Reports. Choose Non-Compliant Shifts from the drop-down menu. You should arrive at a list of your non-compliant shifts. You should be able to see the employee name, the shift's location, and how many shifts they are non-compliant for. Right now I can see the shifts that require a completed credential. If I click the arrow next to Require, I could change this to view shifts that have complete or pending credentials. The reason these employees show up on this non-compliant report is because under Enforcement Settings in Credentials, I said this location had to have their credentials completed in order to be assigned to shifts. I can also export this information. If I click Export to Excel, I can choose to save this as an Excel spreadsheet. Make sure you're saving it under the correct name and folder, then click Save. When I open the spreadsheet, I can see all of that same information, and now I can make any changes or print it as I want to. To exit out of this, click the X. That's how you can view your non-compliant shifts reports under Credentials. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.